Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create mural painting effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, select pixels of design and press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl D to deselect and delete that layer. And don't worry, it's temporary save in Photoshop memory. Now create a new layer and go to filter, vanishing point and add perspective points to the wall. And now press Ctrl V to paste the design and press Ctrl T to transform and hit OK. And now temporarily turn off the layer. Now make a selection of the boy. After make a selection of the boy, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and now place it on the top of all layers. And now turn on the mural layer and change that blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity to 82% and fill to 90%. And now go to blending options and move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. And now add layer mask and pick a soft round brush and brush with black to remove that extra part. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.